Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off startup apps in Windows 11. Startup apps can slow down your computer's boot time, so managing them can really enhance your performance. Let's dive right in. First, let's get started with the start icon over here. You can see, click on that, and now here you can see the settings. If you can't find the settings options here, you can search over here, settings like this, and you will get the settings system. You can see. Click on that. Once the settings window opens, navigate to the app sections on the left sidebar. You can see over here. Click on that. In the app sections, you will find the option called Startup over here. Click on that, and here you'll find a list of all the apps that run when you start your computer. Each app will have a toggle switch next to it. If you want to disable any app from starting automatically, simply toggle the switch off. Take your time to go through the list that decide which apps you really need to during startup. Keep in mind that certain utility programs and antivirus software should remain on to ensure system security and performance. And that's it. You successfully learned how to manage your startup apps in Windows 11. So, hope you find this video helpful. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Hit the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.